Hello friends, myself Ritesh Verma and my friend Sachin Kumar are going to represent our project named Secure Drive, SMS enabled GPS GSM accident detection system. This system improves modern days vehicle safety. It ensures rapid response to accident, potentially saving lives. Its GPS accuracy guaranteed live location tracking, which will provide medical assistance. It also notifies one's family about the accident occurs so that they will able to come and help. Suppose your car is parked in the parking slot and it catches fire or a fuel leakage. How would you come to know about it? That it has catch the fire or it has burned out. If this system is installed in it, you will come to know the disaster as soon as possible and can take some actions necessary. Suppose your near and dear are using your car, and I hope it should not happen with you. So they have made an accident. How would you come to know about it? If they made an accident, if this system is integrated in the car, you will come to know the information about the accident and the location. So my friend Sachin is going to explain further and give you a tour and a demo of the project Secure Drive.
So now let us see how this system works. So first of all, we have two sensors here. One of them is fire sensor and the other is the smoke sensor. We can install up to 4 sensors here, but for the model purposes, we have only installed 2 of them. So the fire sensor detects the flames or the fires that has been ignited on the car during an accident. The smoke sensor detects any smoke that is emitted while the car is in an accident. So now we can see if the fire sensor detects any flame, it will send the information to the microcontroller. This microcontroller right here will send the information to the microprocessor. This microprocessor acts like a brain of the whole system. It is also used in computers and mobiles. This microprocessor computes the data and then sends it to the GSM module right here. But while it's way through there, it will also receive the information from the GPS module, which gives the live location of the vehicle with the help of longitude and latitude. At the moment when the GSM module receives the information, it will directly send it to the registered mobile number. This registered mobile number will receive the message with the help of this SIM card and this antenna. If the mobile number has already registered the SMS, this LCD display right here will display us that the message has been received or not. So now let us see the demo of this. So are you excited? So let's take some paper, ignite it like this, place it in the china dish, ignite some more of them and some more. So now we can see the fire sensor has already detected the flames and the buzzer has started beeping and this LED light right here has started blinking continuously. We can already see that the GSM module has sent the message to the registered mobile number as the LCD right here is displaying messages sent. So that was our project. Thank you for your precious time.